Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome to virtual learning. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 5, drawing with MS Paint. In the previous class we have learned about MS Paint, right? We are already familiar with the MS Paint program. It includes all versions of Microsoft Windows. We can use Paint to create drawings that range from simple to detailed and also edit picture. We have made drawings in Paint using tools in Home tab. Now we will see whether we can learn. We will learn some more tools like select and crop features available in Paint. We will also learn about how to move and copy the portion of an image. Okay, then let us see. When Paint opens, we can see an empty window. Drawing and painting tools are located in the ribbon section at the top of the window. This is the ribbon section. See the long bar, right? Where all paints and tools are available. It is located in the top of the at the top of the window. It shows different parts of Paint window. Working with mold tools. Ribbon in Paint includes a handy collection of drawing tools. We can use tools to create freehand drawings and add a variety of shapes to our picture with help of ribbons. In Paint, we can add shapes, we can color according to your choice. We can give different colors. Then we can use eraser also. We can add text also. So many features are available in ribbon. Let us see the first one, magnifier tool. The magnifier tool is used to get a closer view of an image. To use magnifier tool, we have to first click on the home tab, then select the magnifier tool, then left click the mouse button to zoom it on an image and right click to zoom out. Okay, what happens with the help of magnifier? We can see a clear version, that is the zoom version or the closer version of the image. Magnifying tool does not affect the actual image. It just shows how the image appears on our screen. Okay, it will not make any changes in the image. The image will be exactly the same way you have prepared. It will just show the image on the screen. Next is brushes tool. With the help of brushes tool we can paint in various widths and textures. Brushes size can be adjustable according to your size, according to your opinion or according to your choice with the help of size option. Using brush tool we can also add additional effects to our images. Then next is size. This tool is only after we have chosen either a brush option or a shapes tool option. We can also increase the border thickness of the image using the size option. The rectangular shape is selected and the size of the border is adjusted according to 5 pixels. Okay, with the help of the size mentioned, we can change the thickness of the line. Next is drawing a shape. We know how to draw many shapes in the Paint. Yes, we have previously done. So we can draw ready-made shapes such as rectangles, circles, square, triangles, arrows. You can also make your own custom shapes by using polygon shape. First you have to see polygon shape. What is polygon shape? Let us see. Polygon shape is with 3 or more sides. You can draw one side of the polygon at a time. To draw polygon, you have to first click on the polygon shapes in the shapes group, then move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse changes to a cross. Choose a color from the polygon outline to keep your line straight, and remember to hold down the shift key as you draw your lines. Polygon, drag the mouse pointer and click at each corner. Keep clicking the ends point until you want the last line to finish the shape. Double click when you are done. Okay, in this way you can use polygon tool to make your own customized shape. Next is curve tool. It is used to draw curve lines. Click on the curve tool in the shapes group. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse changes to cross. Now draw a line by dragging the mouse pointer. Click where you want one arc of the curve to be. Okay, wherever you want the arc, whenever you want the curve, you have to just click over there, then the curve will get a lecture. Thank you.